Hello, everyone. This is Eric with Potstocks.com. It is April 18th.
This week's cannabis news is brought to you by our sponsor, Elevated Products, LLC, and their latest innovative product, the Groove Tube. The Groove Tube is a unique and highly effective answer to unwanted odor associated with cannabis smoking. Complete with replaceable cartridges and 12 different scents, the Groove Tube offers a fully customizable experience. You can even get your own customized wrap with your business logo or artwork. If you're a retailer looking for a great product, contact the team at groovetube.com. That's www.groov-tube.com.
On Sunday, April 19th, U.S. President Barack Obama will be on CNN detailing his support of states' individual legalization of marijuana, the rescheduling of marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 2, and in a subtle but important point, he is quoted as saying that he would like the issue to be looked at as a public health as opposed to an incarceration issue. The president is quoted also as saying, quote, although marijuana is still legal at a federal level, the Department of Justice will look the other way. Look for this special to air on CNN on Sunday, April 19th, 2015. The Marijuana Investor Summit is happening on Monday, April 20th in Denver, Colorado, bringing together some of the most important and forward-thinking business and development minds in the industry. The summit will be the largest congregation of like-minded business individuals for the marijuana industry in history. The American Academy of Neurology has reported that Epidiolex, a 98% pure cannabidiol treatment for pediatric epilepsy, was successful in decreasing seizures in more than 50% of children. It is reported that Epidiolex is likely to be available in 2015. GW Pharmaceuticals, the drug's maker, is proceeding with clinical trials involving a larger sample size and double-blind testing with placebos to hit the FDA's gold standard for the product. Louisiana is looking to reform its medical marijuana stance this week. Democratic Representative Dalton Honore has introduced 2 bills into state legislature that would protect and regulate cultivation, distribution, and consumption of medical marijuana within the state, adding it to the list of existing states that are already on board. Wisconsin Democratic Representative Melissa Sargent has introduced a bill this week that would put Wisconsin on the map with full adult use legalization for cannabis. The bill would include a 25% excise tax, and it is estimated to pull in $177 million over 2 years for the state. Michigan has 3 legalization groups hoping to put marijuana legalization bills on the ballot for 2016 this week. Feeling pressured from its surrounding states, Michigan is trying to legalize marijuana to capture the tax revenue and market burst from the state-run sales. A cannabis control board would be established regardless of which bill goes through, but each of the 3 bills would provide different benefits and disbursements to different areas of the state. Entrepreneurs, are you looking for an exciting, growing, and powerful new industry to invest in? The Marijuana Investor Summit on April 20th in Denver, Colorado is for you. This summit and trade show can teach even the most experienced investors how to build and scale your business for success, how to raise capital for your new business, and most importantly, the summit will provide industry leaders, professionals, and proven successes to help network, teach, and grow your cannabis-related enterprise. Visit www.marijuanainvestorsummit.com today to purchase tickets. Now let's look at stock news. Mentor Capital has arranged a contract to receive $1.287 million in funding to support its medical marijuana efforts, exchanging 757,000 shares at $1.70 per share. The deal has been provided on an 11-year schedule to offer even distribution for the exchange, with an implied 17.73% annual growth for Mentor Capital Incorporated. AMMJ financials out this week have revealed significant revenues coupled with significant operating costs, which have amounted to mild profit. This is definitely stronger revenue than we've seen in most cannabis penny stocks, which bodes well for AMMJ. The big news this week, GW Pharmaceuticals have released information of a cancer-fighting THC and cannabidiol combination that has sent their stocks soaring, as well as creating a media blitz on the efficacy and moral obligations of the medical industry against the country's conservative ideological concepts of marijuana legalization. Keep an eye on this moving forward. It is going to be a very hot topic. Now let's look at charts. Last week, TRTC swung upward in the early week to 22 cents with a late week sell-off, and RIGH had decent volatility but nothing outstanding. Next week, look for Massroots MSRT to continue its run post-IPO, and look for most of the sector to see some catalysts in both the President's pro-medical marijuana televised event as well as 420 and the positive cannabis press that comes with it. Keep an eye on AMMJ. It's had volatility this week between 38 cents and 45 cents on very light volume. If you are looking for a last-minute Marijuana Investor Summit ticket, please use promo code POTSTOCKS for 10% off, and I would like to direct your attention to the top nav bar and our web forums. You can generate discussions on the news, talk about penny stock trading, any other general cannabis-related information you would like to. This is Eric with potstocks.com. I hope everyone has an excellent day, an excellent 420. We will be back next week, and stay in the green.